Hey guys, on today's video I'm going to teach you how to update your Apple router. So, doesn't really matter which one you guys have. You guys should see this app right here where it says AirPort utility. So just go right into it and you guys should see right here what you guys have. So, I have this AirPort Extreme which needs updating. So, I just have to tap where my name is at, okay, or whatever name you guys put for your router. So just tap right down there and then you guys should see your third option where it says version. Once you tap on version, this will load up. So it should say firmware update 7.9.1. Now it doesn't really matter which firmware you guys see. It's just the most updated one that's gonna appear right here, right now. So for most of you guys will see download and install. So just tap right there and you're good to go. You guys can also view older versions right here and see them all. Alright, so we're gonna just download and install, but before we do this, I just want to warn you that if you need internet, do not do this, okay? If you guys can take a break, like just a brief break, less than, well, this shouldn't take more than 10 minutes. If you guys have really slow internet, it can take up to 30 minutes maybe, but that's with really slow internet. Then you're looking at maximum 10 minutes, and that's pushing it because really it should only take 5 for downloading and installing. So if you guys need internet in your house, guys need your Wi-Fi working, do not do this update just yet. Do it once you guys can take a break, or maybe you're going out, then just do the download and install. So I'm gonna tap right there. I'm gonna tap on install, and there we go. So we're just gonna let this go, and once it's done, it's just gonna restart by itself, the router itself, okay? And that's about it. At this point, you guys should see this right here where it says restarting, and that's exactly what's happening. So you should have seen a loading bar. Once that's done, it's gonna say restarting, and then everything's gonna go back to normal, and you're good to go. Anyways, that's it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write them down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.